Hi, my name is Chris Hanning, Sales Associate here at Lance's Trailer Sales in beautiful Athens, Ohio. Today we're going to talk about the carry-on smoker. Temperature graded steel, has 12 foot of cooking area. Jeep style fenders. We have a smoke box right here. Your air vents right over here on the side. You can adjust your smoke right here on the top of your stack. The nice thing about this is you've got a storage box over here on the side. Grab your food right out of the cooking area, put it right on your cutting board, cut your meat out, serve it out. You got storage right in here if you need to put some briquettes or anything like that. And of course you can put wood or coolers, whatever you need on the front of it. You can haul this trailer with a four-wheeler or a UTV. You want to take it out to your campsite, smoke a deer, take it to your deer camp. Great product to have. Stop in, check it out. We look forward to seeing you.